call the Brad and Squeeze show, what Periscope calls the BS show, what we here at S&B call Spar and Bernstein, what Squeeze calls at his group of companies, Link Up Media group of companies, what the O'Shaughnessy's call WVIP 93.5 FM, what Mr. Zuckerberg calls Facebook. By the way, Mr. Zuckerberg also calls Instagram. They seem to own it. Both his. I don't know who Mr. YouTube is. Oh, no, Mr. YouTube is Sergey Brin. Right? Mr. Sergey Brin calls YouTube. And I don't know who calls Periscope Twitter.
Jack Dorsey.
It's the one I did not know.
SMG was
Do you know who
waiting
made
with that answer.
Twitter very popular?
The orange man in the White House, Agent
No, when
Tangerine.
it just started.
What did you call him?
Tangerine Tyrant.
Tangerine Tyrant.
That was clever.
No.
You
Very
all don't know
clever.
who did?
What?
It's a guy.
What guy?
Does he have a nose?
He's a celebrity.
Oh,
He was married to Demi Moore.
Ashton.
Ashton Kutcher?
Who was married to them.
Ashton Kutcher made Twitter?
Made it blow up.
How?
He went on as a celebrity and started using it. Everybody started following.
Really?
Maybe we should get some celebrities on the show.
Really? We have celebrities. I got little Nikki.
Oh, I know celebrities who wants to come on the show.
I know
But they said they're
SMG.
not coming to some guy's office.
No.
That's what they told me.
We're going to build a studio.
Yeah.
You hear that, world?
We've been hearing that.
You hear that, world?
We've been hearing that for how long?
Well, I paid for it. I don't know where the heck it is.
Yeah, where's the money?
Right? I paid for it. Why are you yawning?
I said, yeah.
You've been.
Oh, I
through it.
thought he yawned on the radio. And I'm like, did you just yawn? Should we terminate it earlier than we are?
I was going, yeah.
Nah,
You were
he wasn't
yawning.
yawning. He goes,
He said, yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah! How do you say yeah, little Nicky?
I believe you say,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, you go, yeah!
Or you can be like, yeah. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Brandon School.
Yeah! Come on,
It
let's
is now
hear you
time
say it,
to
little Nicky.
actually get
I don't
immigration
have as much
questions
bass in my
answered.
voice.
So
All right?
do it in a female voice.
You may call us at
Yeah.
1-800-LawLink, 1-800-529-5465. You may call with your immigration questions. Now, I have an attorney with a bottle of vitamin water in his hand.
By the way, this whole thing is a canard, this vitamin water.
So what's this about you going on a
It
date?
says zero. What do you mean, what am I going on a date? What are you talking
Are
about?
you going on a date with the vitamin water?
No.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't have a date tonight.
You do?
I do.
Oh, okay.
I do. That I do. Oh, can you share,
Ooh
please?
la la.
Where are you going to bring the lovely lady?
I have an
How
Italian
do you know
restaurant.
it's a lady?
I'm sorry. Where are you going to bring the lovely person?
Lady.
Lady. There we go.
Because
Sorry for the assumption.
SMG knows me long enough that I'm not going on a date with a man. Right?
Oh, man. I'm
Which
just
would be
messing with
okay,
you.
but you don't. You don't.
But I
you
don't.
I'm being vexed now.
Right. I think I have a reservation at an Italian restaurant.
Nice.
Why don't you tell
Go
the
for-
world
go
so we
for
all can show
spaghetti.
up there?
Go for spaghetti.
Why don't you tell
Not
the world
fish?
so we all can
That's
show up
not
there?
What? That's not a what?
Ladies and gentlemen, please share on Facebook,
What?
David Squeeze Annakee's Facebook page and Law
Why are you
Office of Spar
laughing?
Bernstein.
Oh, being like squeezed today.
That's spaghetti? What I said?
No, because he said fish, and I just went to
Oh.
the gutter.
Oh, you went to the gutter.
Yeah.
Well.
Wow!
Finally.
Finally!
Took a couple months.
Took a little. Michelle Obama. Michelle Obama. Your head was really in the gutter because I didn't even think that. That is disgusting. Little Nicky.
1-800-529-5465. This show is all about immigration. 1-800-529-5465. If you do call now, you'll get through. And Fiona,
Yeah,
I did
go
not
for-
throw you under the bus
Yeah.
today. I did
Little
not
Nicky's like,
throw you
why
under
don't you
the
go
bus.
for some tuna tonight, right?
1-800-529-5465.
Little
1-800-LawLink. This is a family
yeah,
show.
yeah.
1-800-LawLink. 1-800-529-5465. Turn up my microphone. 1-800-529-5465.
What's up? By the way, why do I have this big microphone and you have this tiny little thing?
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LawLink. Ladies and gentlemen, you may call right now. The lines are wide open. And I do believe that Fiona has it turned on. Fiona said there was never a problem, Squeeze.
You spoke to her.
No, it was on the chat.
Ah,
The same chat that you're looking at.
I didn't see it.
1-800-529-5465. It's 13 minutes after 12 o'clock. We are live on a Friday. It's going up to 81 degrees today.
Damn.
1-800-529-5465. Call with your immigration questions.
Is this
All right.
swim weather now?
Could you do me a favor, Brad?
It is
Not yet. You think so?
8 degrees?
Is,
Yeah.
By the way,
doesn't feel like
by the
80.
way, are you going to walk around Manhattan the same way you walk around Jamaica?
No, that's only for Jamaica.
You know, with the button-down shirt open, the abs, the
Well, if
beer in the
Even if
Squeeze-
he
hand.
goes to
if-
the beach, yeah. But
If
not
Squeeze throws his
casually.
pool parties, then maybe
Squeeze
I'll,
is having
yeah.
a party every Thursday in the
Did
city.
you see? You got the.
Squeeze doesn't-
I was on the private email.
So was
Squeeze
I.
doesn't give me any emails.
Yeah,
so
I was on.
guess
I
that's
was
like
on
a-
the private email. He's having a
Yikes.
private party in the city.
Every
If
Thursday.
you can get on his
Can
private
somebody
email,
talk to Fiona to forward the lines, please?
he's not talking about his private party.
It's
I
supposed
was
to be
invited to
private.
it.
I was invited.
Yeah, it's not private anymore.
No.
Guess
But
I'm
nobody
not
knows where. Nobody
invited.
knows where he
Nobody
stays.
knows where it
so,
is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, lines are fixed now. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. Great job, Fiona.
Can you imagine, like, all of a sudden, like, all these people such a Squeeze, I'm here for the private
1-800
party.
LawLink. Now they're calling. Okay, 1-800-529-5465. Jennifer, hold on. We're coming at you. Just trying to rev up the lines, get another 10 calls coming in, and then we'll go straight to the lines and answer immigration questions. And everybody is invited to the By the way, Memorial Weekend, if anyone is going to Jamaica, make sure you go to Montego Bay.
I'm gonna be there.
Iberia Star Grand.
I will be there.
I know you will be there.
Squeeze will be there.
I will be there.
Little Nicky maybe will be there.
1-800
SMG.
Not until I get a personal invitation.
SMG maybe
You
will
have a
be
personal
there.
invitation.
Really?
Your boss is paying for the trip.
He didn't tell me about it, so
Oh,
I guess
okay.
that was him saying you're
That's
not
it.
invited.
That-
By
exactly.
the way,
So
you work for Squeeze now.
No. 1-800-LawLink. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465.
By the way, Freddie French. Freddie.
I know Freddie.
You know Freddie French?
Freddie French, yeah.
Yeah, Freddie French.
Brooklyn.
In Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know him.
He's your boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he says, even though I have no immigration problems, I love watching you guys.
Freddie. Wagwan. I follow Freddie on Instagram.
You do.
Freddie French.
Freddie French.
Yeah. You should check out his Instagram page. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. What is it?
You just got to check it out.
You
man.
got to get
Just look up Freddie French.
Immersed into the pictures.
Believe me, Freddie French is Freddie French.
Should I do it right now?
You can check it out.
Should I check it out right
It's
now?
Freddie French.
I'm gonna check it out
Look
right
him
now.
up. Look up Freddie French right now.
On Instagram?
As people call 1-800-529-5465. Stand by, John. Stand by, Jennifer. We're just getting some more people on the lines. That's the reason why we talk in between. So this way, once Brad starts answering questions, he starts. So that's the reason why we talk in the beginning about everything and get more people on the line. Once the people get on the line, we start taking the calls. The number is 1-800-529-5465. I got Jennifer, I got John, and I got one call coming in right now, more coming in. 1-800-LAWLINK. You found Freddie French?
Is he under Freddie French? Freddie French, Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You found him, right? That's,
Yeah.
like I said,
Yeah,
interesting,
yeah,
right?
but I don't know because that's private. So
Then just follow him. I'm quite sure he's going to accept you right
I
now.
will accept. There you go, Freddie. I'm following you. Accept me.
All right.
Okay. So what are we doing? What is this all about here? What is this all about, Squeeze? Why are we here? Why are we here on
you,
this
you
earth?
looked at Freddie's page. Here's Freddie's page.
What is it? What's he got going?
Look at Freddie French page.
He's got shrimp.
Yeah, that's why I say his page is interesting.
He's got shrimp.
1-800.
He's got a little kid on a bicycle.
That must be his kid.
He's
yeah.
on a motorcycle. He's got something going on with some food. He's got a lot of food. He likes to eat, Freddie French.
1-800
He
LawLink.
likes to drink and he likes cars. That's what I know about him so far.
1-800. Okay, we got
And he likes
Sophia
watches.
and Millette.
He likes
there.
fancy watches.
That's good. Millette and Sophia. Okay.
Is this Freddie?
Thanks for joining us. That's Freddie.
That's Freddie. Good
That's
guy.
Freddie the man.
That's a cool guy.
He looks like a rapper there.
Yeah, with Pretty Woman.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-5. If you looked at my Instagram, what would you, the word that we've been using, deduce from it?
What would I deduce from it?
Yeah, well,
that
I mean,
you're a really.
you-
that I would deduce two things. One, you're a really rich dude.
Really?
Yes.
That's
that-
interesting.
And I would also deduce that you're never in the same spot twice. Those would be the two things that and you love.
And you're talking about
and-
location, right?
Yeah, and you love beautiful women. Those would be the three things that I would deduce from your page.
You think?
Yeah, my page is boring. It's just my family.
That's not boring. That's
That's
love.
not boring.
Yeah.
I would deduce. I'm gonna look at your page right now and see what I would. Deduce.
What would you deduce from my page?
Let me see. Let me look
His
it up.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Let me. Okay.
Take
let
a
me
look.
too.
Oh, this is so sweet.
What?
This person,
Mm-hmm.
big celebrity person,
Who is it?
not of, but.
Are we
but-
allowed? Are we allowed to divulge
I
the name?
can't. But the person
I
said,
won't divulge the name, but can I see?
Yeah, you can read it. You can read it. I didn't put a name, but you can just read what
Well,
she.
I don't know the name because it's just a
Exactly.
telephone number.
But
Okay.
that's why I didn't put it in. But, read it out on the air. What she said. You can read it on the air.
Yeah, it says, this is way out of the box, but I just realized you never get the credit you deserve for your own people. People in media, I mean, why? You're a brilliant entrepreneur. Congratulations on all of your accomplishments. Well deserved. And this is somebody,
Big celebrity.
a big
I
celebrity.
noticed it said, your people.
Right.
She's not of their culture.
She's not Jamaican.
Right.
Who is it?
I can't tell you.
Why?
Because it's just some things you just keep private. I mean, you can't just go blurting out just every celebrity that
If
you
I
run.
were to guess,
That's
would
the
you
reason
say
why
yes?
when I pick up the phone and I call you and SMG and say, come join me for dinner, and you guys don't show up, you want me to, if I tell you on the phone, next thing you're rolling up with your friends. And that's an issue.
That is
and then
an
there's
issue.
security issue and then all of that.
Okay, but let me ask you a question.
Some
All right,
big 6
would
foot
you give
5
me-
guy with 400
would
pounds
you- would you-
slapping you guys around. You know, when you hear security, who's this guy?
You want a big 400-pound man slapping me around?
I'm just saying the security for these people.
I would deduce.
Oh, you're back on my Instagram. Okay, we've.
That you are a very dapper individual.
I'm dapper.
That's number one.
I'm well-dressed.
You are very well dressed. Two is you
Stand by,
love
Millet. Stand
your
by, Sophia.
children.
Stand by,
Love my
John. Stand
children.
by, Jennifer.
And
We're
three,
coming at
you
Just
love.
getting
This is
two
like
more
a
calls and
hybrid.
then we'll
Love
take some
traveling.
calls.
You love to travel, and you also love your city. You love New York because
Right.
you have very.
And
very
where does he love to
efficient-
travel to?
Well, let's see. We have Dubai. We
London.
have London. We have Russia. We have
Seems like in the eastern
Florida.
part of the
beautiful
world.
bar mitzvah.
Bar
We
mitzvah.
have
Yeah, I only started Instagram like 6 months
1-800-529-5465.
You only see like
Call.
the last 8 months of my life.
1-800-529-5465. Going to the
Where's
calls in 120 seconds, or I'll
That's,
strangle Brad myself.
That is St. Petersburg.
1-800-529. You seem like you like the east.
I like the West.
The architecture is actually gorgeous.
I like the West.
Yeah, I know you like the west.
I like the-
You wouldn't
I
give
like
up the
the
west, but
South.
you like visiting the east. Let me
I like
rephrase
the
that.
South.
Yeah,
I like the North. I like life.
that's good.
Huh? Would you deduce I like life?
Seems like you're enjoying it to the fullest,
I am enjoying it to the fullest,
as you should.
as I should.
1-800-529-5465.
All right,
So if
ready?
you were to look at my Instagram page, would you say I'm a cool guy or not a cool guy?
I think you're pretty cool. I think
Or
you're pretty
just
cool.
okay? Do I need to like up my coolness a little bit? Because I could be cooler.
Just be yourself, man.
I could be cooler. But then that wouldn't be me. That's, what you
Exactly.
see is what you get. Mm-hmm. What do you think, little Nikki?
I agree
What?
that what you see is what you get.
What you see is what you get.
We
Yeah.
should deduce your page after these calls.
What do you got? What do you
Nah.
got going on your page, little Nikki? I never saw your
Nothing.
page.
What indeed?
What indeed do you have on your page? Let's deduce
Just a couple
Squeeze's Instagram
selfies.
page. Let's see what we would deduce.
What are we doing?
We're gonna
Wait, let's get to
deduce-
immigration.
Let's get to
Remember, we have
immigration.
Paul. We have Paul joining us.
No, don't worry. Paul will join.
All right.
It's all right.
Jennifer, we're coming at you.
Paul's going to
We're
sit
off
here
the
while we
wheels.
answer immigration.
Jennifer, I've been
questions.
waiting 7.
Hey, look, just go to
Yeah.
David
Brad's. Click,
Squeeze.
click,
David
open a new
Squeeze,
tab.
Annakie.
No, open a new tab.
Is this with this guy, dude? This is him?
Yeah, look, open a new
55
tab though.
minutes.
You can put it up on the big
Okay.
screen.
So,
Let 4 minutes. I'm trying here.
yeah, he likes
Callers.
Mr. Kellier. Mr. Kellier seems to be in a lot of his pictures.
That's our vice
What's
president.
with you and Mr. Kellier
He's the vice president of the entity.
of the USA Credit
And he
Repair?
had some accomplishments recently, so
Yes.
I decided
Right.
to share that with the world.
And he likes the white guy with the glasses. I don't know who he is.
Philip.
Philip's always in the pictures.
That's my friend.
And then
That's actually the director at
the Iberia Star.
Grant.
Yeah. And he loves
I
beautiful
can get you guys some
women.
good prices.
He loves beautiful women. He loves Dom Perignon. Do they have, by the way, do they know who Don Julio is in Jamaica? They know
do.
that guy?
Yeah, they do.
They do know that guy. All right. Is he expensive to import into Jamaica?
1-800, everything is expensive to import in Jamaica.
What's with you and looking like the guy from Star Wars? What's with that? Like he
That's
looks
what-
like the Star Wars
that-
guy, when
Yeah,
when
I
they
know.
the
That-
Jedi
that's when it was
Master.
snowing one day.
You look like the Black Jedi Master in this one. Like you're gonna look at him, right? He's looks like he's ready to go to war. He's gonna take off his thing. Everyone has to check out his page. It's actually quite entertaining. Squeeze's Instagram page. Check it out, David Squeeze Annakie.
I try.
Check out mine as well.
Check out SMG getting a plug.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800.
All right, you ready to do immigration now?
529-5465.
All right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, straight to immigration, nonstop. All right,
Jennifer,
Jennifer,
Yes. Good afternoon.
how are you?
were you entertained, Jennifer?
Fine.
Were you
Yes.
entertained while you were on hold?
Yes, she was entertained while we entertained ourselves watching Instagram. Looking at
As
her
long as you were
face.
entertained, that's all
Yes.
that matters.
All right,
Now we'll
what's
get to
going
your
on?
immigration question.
Okay, I have a question. I got divorced a couple years ago. I remarried. My husband lives in St. Martin. I have to petition for him to come here. Do I have to change I already started changing my name to his name. Do I have to change my name also on my naturalization certificate in order to get him here?
No, and in fact, you don't even have to change your name. It's a modern world. So you don't have to change your name to prove it's a real marriage. But you want to change your name, that's fine, but you don't have to change your naturalization.
Yes, because I was still using my ex-married name. I didn't change it
Right.
back to my maiden name,
Right.
so I changed my
That's
name
fine.
now back to. So
That's
I don't
fine.
have to change it. My
No.
citizenship.
No, not at all.
I could do his papers without changing.
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
That was easy.
1-800-529-5465.
We're like Staples here. You know, like the Staples commercial, they go, that was easy.
You know, Staples need to do something because I went down there like 4 times. They have all these computers and display and headphones,
Yeah.
and they never have it in stock. I'm like, what is this?
So it's not so easy there.
No, it's not so easy. The one
Right.
downstairs.
So that's false news.
Yeah,
That they say it's easy, but it's not.
right.
Not so easy.
You know what's one of the most stupid
What's the
comments
most
I've seen
stupid-
on
I love
on the
stupid
internet?
comments. What?
So
Is he blowing his nose now on the on?
My mic is off.
someone wrote up something that USA Credit Repair doesn't exist. It's we looked it up and it's a Staples. And I'm like, idiots! I'm like,
You moron! You like you want to reach? You want to reach?
I wanted to go
You
through
want
the
to reach out
computer.
and just strangle the
I'm
guy?
like, it's a building. There's like how many floors in this building?
There's 38 floors.
And I'm
on
looking
the
for- what-
on the ground floor is Staples.
Exactly.
You idiot! But then you can get in an elevator and go to different floors.
Oh man, I
Oh,
was
my
like,
God.
I'm
Yeah.
like, people, it's just,
It's a Staples.
oh man,
Yeah. All right, let's go to John. John,
John,
happy Friday, John.
happy Friday.
Blessed Friday to you and Squeeze and Bradman. Big up yourself.
Thank you.
Man, as I
What's up?
respect.
What's up?
Yeah, man. Day up on the road, man. I'm a truck driver. I
Okay.
want to ask a question.
What?
I got my green card, and I got a 9-year-old daughter. She's got a visa. If she comes to the United States, can I adjust her status here while she's visiting?
You have a green card or you're a citizen, you said?
No, I'm a green card holder.
No, you can't adjust. How did you get your green card? Let me ask you that question.
Through marriage.
You would not be able to, but your wife, if you're married to her, would be able to file for her.
Yes, I'm still married to her.
Okay, yeah, so your wife would file for her and adjust her status after she enters 90 days later.
90 days later,
Yes.
so she don't have to go back.
No.
Could adjust her status being here.
Correct.
Okay, that's good. Another question. I got a stepdaughter from previous relationship in Jamaica. How can I go about helping her? Would I have to adapt her to do anything for her to come here, to get her here?
When you say stepdaughter, were you married? Were you married to?
No, I was not married. It's just a previous relationship.
Okay, yeah, you would have to
Vancouver.
do some sort of adoption of an orphan. So you would need to.
I would have to do it
or your
from
wife would have to
Jamaica.
do it. Your wife would have to do it, but you don't adopt in Jamaica because if you go down to Jamaica to adopt, you're doing it wrong. You got to bring the child up here to do an adoption.
Oh, yeah, because she got a visitor's visa as well. So if I would have to get her here and then...
No.
here.
Come see me first. Come see me
Okay.
first. Don't do anything because it has to be done in the right way. You got
Okay.
You got to strip the parents of the parental rights and bring her up here as an orphan.
Brad, I like that.
Okay.
I like that guy.
Okay. All right, no
All right.
problem. I like the sound of that.
All right, hold on one second, John. All right. Mr. Hirsch.
Yes.
How are you?
He's
Paul,
not, he's not so harsh today.
No, he looks like a pussycat today. So
What'd you call him?
Pussycat.
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 Okay. Because I know he's no pussycat in court.
No, but he looks like a pussycat right now. What is going on with your phones? Who is that?
I don't know. 1-800 1-800-529-5465.
So we're answering immigration questions.
Yeah.
We'll get to Mr. Hirsch in a
Nice.
few minutes.
Criminal defense attorney.
I love immigration.
Just hang out here, Mr. Hirsch. We'll get to you. Sophia.
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 Hello?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
What's
How are you?
up? Howie, I am wonderful. It's Friday. The weather's great. It's sunny outside. Summer has finally come.
Yep.
It's the weekend. Everyone should be really happy. There's no more rain.
Yeah, we've had that for like.
How are you, my dear?
All right. I am calling
just
on
okay.
behalf of a friend.
Yeah.
So, my friend brother filed for his mom and stepdad. So the brother wants to know if he can continue with the process for the stepdad.
What? Huh? Squeeze, are you paying attention to this?
Very much so.
My
You are.
brother-
Squeeze is not paying attention whatsoever. So who
Quite
filed for who?
My brother filed for my stepdad and my mom. He's a citizen.
So what happened to him?
All right, he is here, and the lawyer that my brother used told him to go home, but unfortunately he didn't. Can he?
As long as he came here on a visa and he's being filed for by his child over 21 who's a citizen, he could adjust here.
No, it's a step. It's a step.
Well, a step can do it as long as the marriage happened before the 18th birthday.
Okay.
Did the marriage happen before the 18th birthday?
Yes.
Yes. So yes, that lawyer gave poor
Poor advice.
Poor advice.
Not a member of Spar and
No,
Bernstein.
Poor advice, huh?
Not a member. Not certainly not a super lawyer.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. Tell him to come in. Tell him to come in. Yes, we can help. Hold on. All right. So in other words, once the marriage happened before the 18th birthday, you're the child. So in other words, Squeeze marries a woman,
Right.
Okay.
And me being
And-
the stepson.
and you'd be, let's say you're the woman's stepson. As long as Squeeze married your mother before you were 18, you're Squeeze's child. Whether Squeeze is filing for
she's
you
my
or
child.
you're filing for Squeeze.
Either way.
Either way, it goes both ways. Right. I like that. Yes.
You're my
My
child.
daddy.
That would be.
sure you remember
that
to
would
call
be-
you daddy?
Oh, please.
No,
No, that's
no,
really.
no.
By the way, if you say that one more time, you are out of here. Okay. That is.
What do you mean?
That is just so wrong.
He just adopted me. I'm filing for it when we go see the agent.
That's a gutter
I need to
rule.
call him
That's a gutter
That
daddy.
is
rule.
just
That's
so.
a gutter rule.
I need to
Hold
call
on.
him daddy.
Go talk to Michelle Obama.
That's
Take
a
the high
gutter
road.
rule.
I
All right,
thought I
stop.
was.
Stop.
That's a
Stop.
gutter. That's a gutter.
That's in the
rule, right?
gutter. Millette.
That's a gutter.
gutter.
rule. We're not in a gutter.
Millette.
Hi, good afternoon, Brad.
How are you?
Good afternoon, my darling.
What's up?
Hopefully all is well on this wonderful and beautiful Friday.
It is a nice day.
Yes, it is.
Okay, what is your question
Just
for
have a
Mr.
question.
Bernstein?
For instance, I came there on a visiting visa, and I got married to my business partner who is a green card holder. How long does it take?
Came here on a visitor's visa. Got married to a green card holder.
2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All right.
I just had to reiterate that for you because your brain was somewhere else.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, and it won't cause any problem for me to travel back and forth on my visa?
It won't cause a problem, but as long as you don't stay for long periods of time, come to visit for a week, 2 weeks, and go home and stay back in Jamaica for a while. You really use your visitor's visa to visit. When you start
Yeah.
using your visitor's visa and you're living here, you're gonna have a
Got a
problem.
problem.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, you're in tune to the Brad and Squeeze Show. We answer immigration questions here. 1-800-529-5465. I can make a bet with every single human being out there. If you call 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-LawLink, and do not get through right now, I will change my name.
I will make another bet with somebody.
What's that?
Okay, for every person who's watching us on Facebook right now,
Yeah.
or YouTube, or Periscope, or Twitter, if they were to share this link with one of their friends,
What
one
link?
of their family members,
David Squeeze Annakie or Law
either
Office
link,
Spartanburg?
either link,
Okay.
whatever it is, if they were to
Law Office's
share it,
YouTube or Periscope?
either one.
Okay.
Okay, if they were to share it, their friends would be very happy. Their family would be very happy, and most importantly, the people at USA Credit Repair will be very, very, very happy. You want to make the people happy.
Think Donald Trump would be happy?
Donald Trump will
Do you
not
think
be
Donald
happy.
Trump is making their
Trump
lives
will not.
miserable?
Donald Trump will not be happy.
Do you think he's making their lives miserable?
There's a reason why our phones didn't work this morning.
Oh,
Okay, I don't know why, but our phones mysteriously went down between 9 and 10.
speculations here.
Speculation. But if you share, please, with your
Allegedly.
friends and family, we would appreciate it as well at law offices of Spar and Bernstein as well. And of course, if you're listening on WVIP 93.5 FM, roll down your window and scream out, What?
I am as mad as hell.
I'm mad as hell.
not going to take it anymore.
Or
1-800 LawLink our share.
Or turn on 93.5 and listen to these two fools. Or 3 fools, or 5 fools. How many fools do we have?
Fools. There's a handful of
There's
them.
only 4 that I can
Only
see.
4. All right, 1-800-529-5465. We actually don't have fools here. We have really smart people, really good lawyers.
Very good.
And Paul Hirsch is one of our really good lawyers.
Criminal defense?
He runs our criminal defense department here. When I say fools, it's because sometimes we like to fool around.
Yeah, we like
But
Keep it loose.
But when we are in law mode, we are some serious lawyers. All
Get
right?
out of the way.
Very
Serious lawyers. And Paul, what's going on here at Spar and Bernstein?
What's going on? We're protecting the rights of our clients. We're fighting a good fight. There's still a lot of these darn awful gun cases coming through. The city has decided, and look, we see the reports. We see these kids,
A lot of
and
people getting
grandmothers
arrested.
getting caught
There's
in,
been an increase in gun
getting caught in
cases?
crossfires.
There's been a lot of gun cases.
Has there been an increase in gun
Yes.
cases?
An enormous amount of gun cases.
You know why? Because the amount of drug cases they used to arrest and the undercover buy operations they used to do, they don't do those anymore.
mean
You
there's
don't
not-
get
you-
3,
there's
4
not a lot of them
defendant-
anymore.
Not many, right. They don't set up buy
Yeah, but
operations
the
like they
police still
used
need to do their arrest.
Correct. So
They go by statistics.
take away 10,000 arrests, you got to add those back in, and they're stopping cars and searching cars.
Yeah.
And searching people.
And many of these searches are illegal.
Many
Many.
are illegal. Many
Many.
are under these guise of stop and frisk, and the ends justify the means. Well, we got a gun off the street. Well, you can't violate someone's rights.
You
to
know
do
what?
so.
The end does not.
Does not in the criminal justice
not in-
system.
not in my world.
The system is more important than an individual gun.
The system, which is your rights.
That's right.
Your individual rights, to me, are more important than anything else.
And
than
as-
whether you have a gun in
Right.
the trunk of your car.
Right, whether the police take one gun off the streets of the city, yes, a little safer, but to what end? To what rights are you willing to give up for that to happen? And it's getting scarier and scarier. We
So
gotta be
tell
careful.
tell us something what's going on. Like, give me an example.
So we had a hearing the other day. In fact, I just had a client in my office. I'll talk about this one. This is the police claim that they recovered over a pound of marijuana in the gentleman's car. Claimed.
So how did they get to the?
That's the question. Certainly, there was
What
marijuana in the car.
There was marijuana in the car.
Yes.
Whether it was the quantity was a pound or less than a pound was up for debate.
We got the lab. It does seem to have
Been a pound.
just made the
pound.
over the pound. Yes.
All right, so that's a large
It's
quantity of squeeze. Have you ever smoked for your own personal use 1 pound of marijuana?
That's
I've never smoked marijuana.
Okay,
in my
but
life.
would you think that anybody would need to smoke 1 pound of marijuana for their own
I
personal
did
use?
not
You know how much
have-
a pound
Yes, that's
That's why
marijuana is?
I'm being facetious. I'm saying it is a lot of
And-
marijuana.
And
That's a lot of marijuana.
We also look at the way it's packaged to see
Uh-huh.
whether it's look, if you bought yourself some weed, you wouldn't buy 10 little bags. You'd buy a big bag of weed and
Right.
you'd go home and smoke a lot of it.
Right.
So if this was a big garbage bag full of weed, you may have an argument.
How did
It was
the cops-
86 separate small bags of marijuana.
So you can only imagine what job this
Correct.
guy does. Okay.
And there was not in his
And
trunk.
we're not condoning this.
Correct. No.
Okay, we're not condoning it, although I will say in certain states they do condone
They
it.
do. It's-
Okay?
it's,
If you go to Colorado, they condone it.
Yes, you can run around with a big bag of weed.
That's right.
Not
If
a problem.
You go to, was it also Oregon, Washington?
Our state's capital.
They're at our state's capital, Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C., recreational
Yeah,
marijuana, possession of
they
marijuana. is
condone it
legal.
there, but in
Yes.
New York State, we don't condone it.
We do not, and the
Okay.
federal government doesn't condone it,
Yes.
more
okay.
importantly.
So what happened? So now, give us the facts.
So now the cops claim that they pulled our guy over for a broken taillight. We get these a lot, these officers in plain clothes driving around looking, and they usually work for major narcotics or a task force or some that are out on the streets to get rid of violent crimes. Well, why are they pulling over a car for a broken taillight? It sounds like not the job for 2 undercover police officers or plainclothes detectives. But they do it because then they get to search a vehicle. And under some guise or consent or fake consent or one way or the other. In this case, they're claiming that they smelled the marijuana through the roll down.
So they claim there was a broken taillight that may
Yeah.
or may not have been broken.
Correct.
And then they claim that they have super smell.
Yes.
Super smell.
Well, here's the problem with super smell.
let me
Yes,
guess.
I usually argue super smell when
Okay.
there's a small amount of marijuana.
They argue,
they're good- or it's
smell,
open.
and they super smelled this, and
Yes.
they opened up the trunk
let me-
Unfortunately, the weed was in the back seat.
in the back seat.
Yes.
Well, let me
Okay.
guess. I'm
So,
quite sure.
Not smart.
Not that I'm being biased or prejudiced, but these people were white, right?
No, not that. That
Which
doesn't.
people? The people who were arrested?
Yeah.
No.
They were not.
They were not?
They were not.
Really, SMG?
Not a
They were
typical,
not?
not a typical pullover though. The gentleman was a.
SMG just closed his eyes and was dreaming about what.
Yes,
pound
he was.
marijuana.
I thought
I don't
they
know
were-
what he was dreaming
I thought
about.
they were white.
He just looked very. He just looked very casual.
How
thinking
big a
about-
bag is that? That's a
Yes.
decent sized bag. of
thought-
marijuana.
I thought they were
I'm
white.
surprised.
He's
yeah.
like, would I be able to smell marijuana outside a car, a pound in the back seat?
So what do you do as a criminal? What, so in all
Just like
seriousness,
how
what
they
do you do?
snitch on-
So
this is serious stuff. So
Yes.
what do you do?
And he's being, they're taking the case seriously. It's up in the Bronx. They're threatening to indict him.
And he's looking at some serious jail time.
He's looking at facing felony marijuana possession charges,
Right.
possession with intent to sell, those kind of charges.
Right.
Yep.
So that's jail
It's if we went to trial and he was convicted, he'd be going to jail.
for how long? 5 to 10 years. probably?
No, a year.
Year
or two.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So now what?
Any jail time.
Yeah,
one
the
day
The problem
too
is
much.
he's also not a U.S. citizen.
And so he's going
Going
to
to-
deported.
a felony conviction and going to jail is likely a deportation.
Right. He's getting deported.
Yes. So
Right.
we're,
Any sale of drug conviction, you're getting deported.
yes, it's a problem.
Right.
He has a prior misdemeanor.
Squeeze makes the
infraction.
funniest
coming
faces,
back,
by the
right?
way.
What's that?
You make the funniest faces.
So I hear.
Yeah, I'm just watching you on the TV. So
And because I'm listening to the conversation and I'm like,
Yeah, so we got a
everything
fight. We
that
got
I'm
a
hearing-
fight. We got a fight on our hands.
Right, so
And,
what-
and
so what
this
do you
is
do?
where. So this is where I put the full court press on the district attorney's office and fight hard for an offer that our client can either is comfortable with, that won't get him deported, that won't put him in jail, that won't put him on probation, that'll keep him under the radar.
And this was in Scarsdale.
And
right?
or we fight this.
No,
way.
this
was
is the
in Scarsdale.
Bronx.
Up in the Bronx.
This is
You're
the Bronx.
not
It was,
gonna
in
work.
Bronx- it was in Scarsdale?
not in no, and it wasn't.
It was not in Scarsdale?
No.
This guy.
No.
You mean
Here we
Bronxville?
go.
No.
Bronx, Bronx?
Nope.
Nope.
Not
Bronx.
Briarcliff Manor.
Not Briarcliff,
Nope.
Not Katona?
Nope.
Wow.
Rye, New York. It didn't
Not
happen.
Port
there.
Washington?
Nope. Didn't happen in Port
Not
Washington.
Mamaroneck?
Not the Hamptons?
Nope. Not the Hamptons. So so this guy has some serious. I mean, factually not a great case.
No.
They find a pound of marijuana in 82 different bags in the back of his car.
However, if the police stopped him illegally, and we can prove that to a judge at a hearing, his case is dismissed. Cannot, the fact that they recovered that pound of marijuana doesn't change the fact that they illegally pulled him over, and under some
What's
guise,
your number in my phone?
I'm
serious.
you know,
What's your
this
number in my phone?
this is what they
I wanna
do,
know
and
it.
then they, what the judge
What I'm
quoted in my
try-
last hearing, they
Let the lawyer talk.
they testify for constitutional guidelines, and they make up their testimony.
They make up their testimony.
He puts just his name.
That's all you get.
He's talking. He
That's
can't
all you
talk.
get.
So what? How'd you get? What'd you do with the case?
We're in the middle of it.
Oh, you're in
We're
the
still
middle of it.
battling.
Oh.
Still battling.
All right. Well,
These
you
are
can't-
hypothetical
we shouldn't-
facts.
Yeah, these are hypothetical.
No,
facts.
I
You
mean,
can't talk about
there's
it.
no names. There's
All
no
right, okay.
hypothetical facts.
So we'll have to see what happens.
Yes, stay tuned.
I asked this man for his number. He put Paul Hirsch, 1-800.
If you've had my number
1-800
in 12 different phones.
Yes, I do. I want it in this one now. But on a serious note, folks, what I'm getting at with the phone thing, all right? By the way, I still want your number. I want everyone right now, seriously. We joke around, but we do that just to pique your interest. I want everyone right now to take 60 seconds out and dial this number. Every single person in the tri-state area. Well, let me just say New York and New Jersey, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Because we've got Hudnut.
Yes.
We do. We have two attorneys
And
that
Moreno.
are admitted in
And
New
Moreno.
Jersey.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. And guys, and Brad and Paul and everybody in the room, don't even say anything, especially if you're black. I'm sorry, I said it. I'm the one who said it, so I'm disclaiming it. Especially if you're between the ages
What
of...
about if you're Hispanic?
Yes, sure.
What about if you're Hispanic?
A person of color.
A person of color, all right? Because for some reason, not saying it's happening, some reason it appears that, if you're black, you get stopped more. But I'm simply saying, folks, it's good to know that you have rights, and we've got attorneys that will fight for your rights. So here's what you're going to do right now. Pick up your phone and dial this number. I know he's a good attorney. 1-800-529-5465. Not to use him now, but to save the number. Let it ring 15 seconds. 1-800, come on, Brad, hold on, I'm coming. 529 5465. I want to see your dialing number. I'm dead serious. I want every person out there to save this number. You never know when you're going to get arrested. People think that it can't happen to them. 1-800-529-5465. Let the number ring for about 15 seconds. Okay, one person, only one black person we got out there. Only one Hispanic person. Only one white person. All right? Okay, 4. 1-800-529-5465. Folks, you're behind the wheel. You can get stopped anytime. Anything can happen. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529. Behind the wheel. Look at the calls coming in, Brad. At least people are listening.
Yes.
1-800-529-5465. Do you know how many times I get calls up until about a month ago? How many times I get personal calls? Squeeze, can you talk to your lawyer friend them for me? My son got arrested, got in a situation and all of that, and he was just in the car. He didn't do anything. He was just in the car. The gun was in the car. He was just in the car. It happens all the time. So if you have kids out there, if you have loved ones out there, you got friends out there, especially in Queens, Bronx, or Brooklyn, pick up your phone and dial the freaking number so that when you need it, you have it. Let me give out the number. And the only way to prove to me, Paul Hirsch, SMG, Lil Nicky, and Brad, who's like, what the hell's going on, is to dial the number, let it ring 15 seconds, 20 seconds to show us you are calling. And then you hang up on us. 1-800-529-5465. I'm passionate about this. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. This guy's no pussycat. No matter what Brad said earlier.
Even though he's smiling
He's
right now.
no pussycat.
Even though
I was trying to put my game face on.
He's no pussycat. All right? He's
Find
none
the
of that.
sentence.
1-800-529-5465. If you drive a car, you should call because you never know when you're going to get stopped by the cops. All right? And come on, admit it. I'm gonna be very truthful. Every time I'm in my car and there's a cop car behind me, my heart pounds. I swear to God, my heart pounds. I'm like, am I gonna get stopped? And it's not that I'm breaking the law. It's just I feel that somehow I'm gonna be breaking the law, although I'm not breaking the law.
Because you've had experience
Exactly.
about breaking the law when you never broke the law.
You notice I didn't say a thing, except try to interrupt a couple times when Paul Hirsch was speaking. So far, I've only had 57 calls. You're telling me that there are only 57 people out there that could potentially get in trouble with the law in this state?
Apparently.
1-800-529-5465. Dial the number, let it ring 15, 20 seconds. I love Fiona, but let's hang up on her. 1-800-529-5465. Just say, Fiona, I'm just saving the number for the criminal defense attorney. Yeah, Law Officer Spar Bernstein. 1-800-529-5465. Yes, if you're in Jersey, you can call too. You know how many things happen in Patterson, New Jersey? In Newark, New Jersey?
A lot.
Okay.
That's why we added another attorney.
Yes, hot nut. 1-800-529-5465. Just save the number, people. Demonstrate to me. I am very passionate about this community. Extremely passionate. You think I'd be here on the radio for 20 years with this guy? I like you, Brad.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Traffic court question. Someone has that, huh?
No, we're not going to do the traffic
court.
We're not traffic court lawyers.
Oh, you mean that's not what you were talking about?
Not what we
You were
said.
talking about gun cases?
Yes.
You're talking about weed?
Yes.
Cess?
Yes.
Ganja?
Yeah.
Skunk?
All of it.
All right.
We're going to leave traffic. We're going to leave traffic court to other lawyers.
Okay.
Yeah.
1-800, you're talking about conspiracy?
Yes.
Murder?
Yes.
All kinds of things?
Yes.
Allegations?
Yes.
1-800-529-5465. Assault?
Yes.
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. And a lot of you, most of you out there are saying, oh, squeeze a top out, man. I'm not going to get in trouble with the law. That can never happen to me. No, it will never happen. People, let me just tell you something. Brad said I'm making the funny faces. So many things have happened to me growing up. And it pisses me off so much. When I get stopped by the goddamn cops, dragging you out of the car, searching your car, going through this, violating
By the way,
every
Squeeze,
freaking right. Call 1-800-529-5465. Let it ring for 15, 20 seconds and show me that you're saving the number for the attorney. No, this is not about money. This is about the fact that I know that God forbid you get in trouble, you have a good attorney. A good one.
by the way, Mikey Mike,
Yeah.
he agrees with you. He goes, the New York cops love me.
There, what?
The New York cops love me. I'm
That's
always
what I
getting
heard.
pulled over.
That's not what I heard.
No, you need to hold up, Michelle.
What'd I
That's all.
say? What'd I say?
What he
The
said?
P may have sounded like a K
Or C.
or a C.
The opposite of a
Don't
rooster.
say it. Don't Don't
That's
don't
another name
sound
for
it
a
out.
rooster.
What's
That's
the
what it
name of
sounds like.
South Carolina's?
I said
Yes.
I said the New York cops, not the
Yes.
New York cockadoodles.
Yes.
All right, the New York cops love me always getting pulled over. I did not say. I said cops.
Anyway, can I ask Paul a quick question?
Yes.
If you are pulled over in a car with somebody and they have, let's say, drugs or a gun in the
Mm-hmm.
car, will you get charged with the same?
Yes, everyone in the car will be charged. The police will arrest everybody, and everyone in that car will be charged.
Even if you had no idea?
Ultimately, if someone takes responsibility for it, there's a good chance that the other people will be,
go.
not prosecuted. But yeah,
If no one
the
takes
cops will
responsibility.
arrest everyone in that.
Hey, I
vehicle.
mean, the most famous one was the Puffy, who's now P. Diddy.
Mm-hmm.
I think he was Puff Daddy at the time. He was, had the gun
With
in,
J-Lo,
in
right?
the club with J-Lo. J-Lo had nothing to do with this, but she was in the car. She got arrested.
Yep.
That's like the most famous one.
Yeah.
But if
It's
no one
called
takes
it's called a car presumption, meaning in small, tight spaces, everyone is presumed to be in possession of whatever they find in that car. Now, look, if they find it on someone's person, you have a pretty good argument that you had nothing to do with it, right?
Yeah.
If the drugs are in his pocket, in the passenger's pocket, what do I have to do with that? But the cops will take that advantage, and they love to arrest 3 people instead of 1.
Yeah.
You want to know why? Because when you arrest 3 people, people start talking.
And overtime.
Yeah.
It takes a lot longer to process 3 people's paperwork than
one.
it does 1.
And
So
if no one takes responsibility, then everyone
then the
gets
case,
prosecuted.
it'll go through, you'll
Okay.
be arraigned, you'll be.
And by the way, don't they get a statistic? I got 3 arrests and not 1 arrest.
Of course. Yep.
Adds
So it's
to-
just
adds-
boosting their own
Yeah.
profile.
It boosts their own profile, and also the more people arrested, that means you get more people the opportunity to
Yep.
start ratting other people
Well,
out.
that's another, they'll separate you right away and then start talking to everybody.
1-800-529-5465. Dave.
Which is why you really need SMG. You really need a good lawyer saved in your phone.
Right.
I mean,
From the beginning.
you may be
I've been trying to say that.
You may be walking around saying, "I don't do anything wrong. I don't need a good criminal defense attorney." Yet you're in the back of a car, and all of a sudden everyone's getting arrested. The cops are separating you, and they want you to. You're like, "What? What?" You should be calling a good lawyer. Call us right now and have our number saved.
I've had clients who are arrested in the back of a taxi cab or an Uber car in which drugs are found throughout the car. Yes.
Jesus.
In the back of an Uber.
In the back of
And
an
you're
Uber.
just- and you're just a passenger.
And if they're asking you to talk, you can just say lawyer.
Yes,
my
you
lawyer.
should. You should always say,
Right.
I want to cooperate, but I really would like to speak to my lawyer.
And
first."
I have his number saved in my
Yes,
phone.
and now it would be a lot easier, yes.
I would like to take my phone out and call him.
Because try asking the officer to look up Spar and Bernstein or your other lawyer. They will not do that for you.
Yeah.
They will call the number you asked them to call, but they're not going to start looking up numbers and finding you an attorney.
Right, they're like, the cops are going to say, my job's not Google. My job is not Google.
They're not there to help.
Right. So, Squeeze, give out that number one more time and let's go.
1-800-529-5465. Are we going to take David? 1-800-529-5465.
Yes.
1-800-LAWLINK.
And you pick up the phone and you dial the number and you hang the phone up, and then you got good lawyers saved for life. It's the smartest thing in the world you can do, not only for yourself,
That's why
but
the New York cockadoodles don't.
That's right. So that way the New York cockadoodles don't do anything to you. And the telephone number is 1-800-529-5465. You pick up the phone, you dial the number, you hang the phone up, and now you got it locked for life. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. I'm going to say it 2 more times. 1-800-529-5465. That's the number for the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-529-5465. I'd say it 1 more time because little Nikki said 1 more time. She just held up her finger.
She did.
I don't know if she was giving me the 3rd finger
No,
or
it was
the
the
4th.
first. It was the first
Or
one.
the finger to do it 1 more time. 1-800.
Yeah, I'm very happy you're yelling out the number now.
5465. 1-800-529-5465. Dave has a criminal defense question. Dave, how are you?
I'm okay. I just wanted to know, is domestic violence, is that a deportable offense?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
you
it
should
is.
call for an
Yes,
appointment.
you have,
Let's
you
see
have
if
an
we can do
issue with
something.
that. Hold on, but I don't want you to talk about it on the radio.
No.
So hold on 1 second.
And by the way, folks, with criminal convictions, you need to speak with Paul Hirsch about potentially vacating them.
Paul, RJ on Periscope wants to know: is there really a quota system for cops pulling over? Or is that a myth?
I don't think it's a quota system, but I do think that police officers are promoted based on number of arrests and things of that nature.
So it goes when you get a review at the end of the year.
Yep.
Okay, they're going to look
Every
at
quarter,
how
every
many
year.
arrests have you made, and they're going to compare you to your colleagues.
Sure. You want to move. You want to go to emergency services, or you want a certain tactical unit within the police department. The number of arrests, the number of guns you've taken off the street, things like that are certainly taken into account.
All right.
1-800-529-5465, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. Make that link, make that call, make that connection. And I am proud of you all.
Why?
Because a lot of people did
Are
call.
saving the number.
Yeah.
They're
A
being
lot.
smart.
Nice.
There's a lot of smart people out
It
there.
is. And look, if you have kids, you're crazy not to have a good criminal defense number in your phone.
Now, if you're breathing and you live in New
Yes.
York,
You know, by the way, you guys
should
can
be
say the word
crazy.
black, you know. You can say Latin, you know.
I can say it. I have.
We
I haven't. I'm not scared
we
of
can
it.
use the word.
Oh, good.
All right, watch. You want to
but I
hear me?
think-
You want
I
to
think-
I want to hear you
me?
say it.
Yeah, black.
Okay, good.
Black.
Good.
Black.
And by the way,
If you're black
the majority of the people getting stopped out there are
black.
Okay.
or Hispanic,
Okay.
black, Hispanic.
Why?
I don't know.
Why is that so?
We can only take guesses.
And no one in the police department.
And by the way, and by the way,
You know that, right?
everybody knows.
No one.
Everybody knows why. 1-800-529-5465.
We don't have the fast round today?
We're not getting
No, we're
SMG
not.
started.
No fast round?
1-800-529-5465. Yeah, we have time for fast
Oh, I
round.
didn't know.
I don't even know
SMG,
if there is a fast round today.
There's a fast round.
All right. So if you are doing adjustment of status but have an interview date
We're back
next,
to immigration now.
Yes, I like
Okay.
this part though.
if you're doing adjustment of status but you have an immigration date next month, should you receive an approval for the I-130 or is it okay to go to the interview online? It says
Go to the interview.
online it says to
They'll
receive.
approve the I-130 and I-45 together.
Okay. My friend got a letter from NVC the other day. She's married to a citizen. He filed for her daughter who is under 18. The letter says the child qualifies for the citizen. Is that so?
No, you don't qualify for citizenship through a step-parent. But it qualifies to get the immigrant visa. That's what you would get from the National Visa Center. So I think he's talking about getting a green card.
Yeah, she said there are a few
Right,
requirements, such
right.
as the child must be a U.S. citizen, parent, and all that.
Right.
Okay. I believe that's what I have for now.
Nobody had questions today because we did a lot of
It's a
criminal
beautiful
defense.
day outside, Brad.
Michelle.
You think they have better things to do?
Maybe this is Michelle Obama. Is this Michelle Obama?
No, it's
Not Michelle Obama. Okay.
We can still listen. We can still
unfortunately
listen.
Unfortunately not. Yes.
No.
You'd be married to a handsome man if it was,
yes.
right?
Well, I am married to a
Hey, there you go. Your husband.
I like a woman who
Right.
stands
Good-
up
Good props
for
for
her man.
husband.
We need more women
Yes.
like you.
All right.
All right? More women like you are needed.
Good reply. I like
You remember
it.
I was talking to you about that this morning, reciprocity?
Reciprocity. That's what Squeeze said. In a relationship, there has to be reciprocity.
Yeah.
Can't be one selfish person and one
No,
non-selfish
thank you.
Very
person.
deep.
Yes.
There you go.
There you go. Little Nicky just gave me a look. All right, Michelle.
Yes.
What?
I got married in 2016, and I filed for my husband. I did the I-130, and I also did their fiance the K3 visa.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when I did it after and sent it off. When I looked to see the time that it would take to process, it's almost the same time as the I-130.
That's why nobody does the K3s. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's because it's the same time. You're spending a lot of money and effort and time to shave off like 3-4 weeks of waiting.
Right.
It's not worth it.
Okay, so what will something happen? Will they look at the K3 before they look at the I-130?
Yeah, but within a few weeks of each other. It's not the K3. Ideally is supposed to have the person come up and wait for his green card here, so there's not that 1.5 or 12, 14, 15 month waiting for a green card in another country. But if it takes 12, 14, 15 months to get a green card, and it takes 11, 12 months to get a K visa,
Right.
why were you doing all this? And unfortunately, in practice, it doesn't work the way it's supposed to.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right,
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Once again, folks, the number is 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-LawLink.
Althea?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
My sister got her citizenship through derivative citizenship. She had a felony at 18 or 17 for marijuana, coming in the airport with marijuana. Is there any way to get it vacated?
Well, maybe it could get vacated for some non-immigration related reason, but she's a derivative citizen, so you can't say she pled guilty and we didn't know the immigration violations. But certainly, I assume you can come in and talk to Paul and David, and we can take a look at it, but it's gonna be for some procedural violation of your rights, but it's not gonna be because of the immigration violation.
Oh, this is like about 20 years ago or 25 years ago.
I would say it's highly unlikely. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
I just-
All
Thank
right, let's go to Ewan. I didn't mean to hang up on her, but we got about 30 seconds. Ewan, 30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm a for you, huh?
Right?
Yeah, and I just want to know how long it takes process. They get the first letter to them receive the.
You filed for his youth, he said?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you a citizen or a resident?
Yeah, citizen.
Yeah, it should take less than a year.
Because they get the first
Right.
letter.
Yeah, you're a citizen, you filed for your kid, it should take a year or less. And if you're waiting a long time, come see us. All right, thank you, but we got to get going now. We're out of time here, Squeeze. Thank you, Paul Hirsch.
Yeah.
Thank you, Squeeze. Thank you, little Nikki. Thank you, SMG. I'll even pat myself on the back. Thank you, Brad.
Thank you.
The proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein law firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.